In this video, we will be looking at max and min functions. So, we will take an example and try to explain what this is. So, if when I write say fx is max of a, b, c. So, what this basically means is whichever of the three of these is the larger value, fx will become that. So, fx will be equal to a if a is greater than b, a is greater than c, and so on. Okay, that's what it is. Similarly, a min function would be, we will choose the one which is the smallest. So, to get an example, that x equal to 2. Okay, fx is, let's say, the max function of 2x minus 1 comma x plus 5. Equal to 2, the max of f of 2 rather is the max of 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3, and 2 plus 5, 7. So, 7 is bigger. So, f of 2 will be 7. So, essentially this is the idea. Okay. Now, how do we do this? When you have maybe 2 or more such components of the max function, is the easiest way is to draw it, and you have to draw it fast. Do not have to pick points and draw, but just the nature of the curve. So, x minus 2. So, y equal to x is a straight line passing through the origin, minus 2 shifts it down. So, we draw, this is y equal to x minus 2, simple, that is how it is to be drawn. 2x means the slope will become higher, minus 1, so this was minus 2, minus 1 will be like this, so the intersection will be somewhat like this is how the line will go. So, this is y equal to 2x minus 1, okay, you should be able to draw it like this. Then y equal to 5 minus x, so minus x is a line like this, plus 5 is somewhere here, the line will go like this. So, this is y equal to 5 minus x. Now, look, it says that fx is the max. So, that means we are going to choose those parts which are on top of everyone else, above, higher values. So, you can clearly see the function, this line is above everyone else, this line is above everyone else, it remains above everyone else till here. After that, this falls below this line, and this line is above everyone else now. So, your function fx is basically just that yellow line. Okay, all the red lines are not a part of the function. Only the orange yellow line is basically the function which is fx. So, they are saying what is the minimum value? Obviously, this is the minimum value. There is no doubt about it. This will be obtained by solving these two. So, let us solve it. So, 5 minus x equal to 2x minus 1. So, 3x equal to 6, x is 2. So, at x equal to 2, we are going to get the minimum, and therefore, the value would be 5 minus 2, 3, or you plug in 4 minus 1, 3. So, this value is 3. So, the answer to this question is 3 is the minimum value. So, it is done best with graphs. Let us take one more example. So, we have to find minimum y, where y is the maximum of. So, let us quickly draw it again. Y is x plus 1. So, y equal to x is line like this, plus 1 will make it move up. Y equal to x square is a parabolic curve like this passing through the origin, minus 1 will make it move down. The roots will be x square minus 1 equal to 0 will give you roots as 1 and minus 1. So, this is also minus 1. So, the curve will pass through this point. This is how the graph of x square minus 1 will look like. Now, since we want the maximum again, we will choose the line portions which are above, on top of everyone. So, this is on top, then shifts to this is on top, then it shifts to this is on top. So, the blue line is basically your function. They are asking the minimum value of y, provided y is greater than or equal to 0. If that was not there, the minimum value is here. But this is negative x, right? X has to be positive. We are looking at only this side. The minimum value is here. We know the value is y equal to 1. So, there is nothing to solve in this. So, the answer is 1, which occurs at x equal to 0 itself. I hope this was clear. Thanks for watching.